Understanding ISO 13485. ISO, or the International Standards Organization, is an independent, non-governmental organization that collaborates with experts from around the world to share knowledge and develop evidence-based international standards.
We were the first electropolishing job shop in the country to receive our ISO certification. We were ISO 9001 certified in 1997, and we are now ISO 13485 certified as well.
ISO 13485 is designed to be used by organizations who are involved in the design, production, installation, and servicing of medical devices.
So parts that are used in medical surgeries, so tubing, trocars, cutting instruments, it could be a subassembly component part for a single-use medical device. Those parts have to be cleaned, passivated, deburred, and sterilized to be compatible with the device for form, fit, and function.
Since we at New England Electropolishing believe that safety and quality are of the utmost importance, our processes fully conform to the ISO 13485 standards.
Our product is used predominantly in the medical industry, so ensuring that product quality is consistent and meeting our customer expectations is key to what we do here. Visual inspection, attention to detail are the key aspects of our process that ensure that what the customer is receiving is meeting their expectations.
Design and process validations demonstrate that a medical device and all associated manufacturing and testing processes are capable of consistently producing product that will meet all customer and regulatory requirements and perform consistently, safely, and with efficacy. Our entire process has been validated and certified by third-party independent auditors to obtain our ISO 13485 certification, which is required by many of our customers. At New England Electropolishing, we have highly controlled processes in place that ensure material removal is precise and repeatable every time.